Not recording.
Is it not?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You're awesome.
Look at that.
This one can go in our house. This one I need to go in the store.
He needs to go in the store?
Yeah, not in our house.
Did you see that in the store?
I did.
Who were you with?
I was this. See the tag?
Uh-huh.
That's a monster.
That is a monster.
Marty can't walk. Marty
I'm
can't.
so surprised that you remembered and that you knew about it. Okay, you're excellent. Your prowess is unbelievable. Oh, beautiful! Yeah! Oh my God, I love
Oh my goodness.
CIARA's gift. It's
Yeah.
beautiful. The one that we were bringing to her house today. Did Daddy
Oh.
not look at the tag?
No, Daddy just...
Yes, honey, we absolutely, in a minute, okay? We're going to open this in just a minute. Let me see. Let me go get the scissors to open it, okay? I'll go get the scissors.
I gotta get mine.
I'll do that too. Go get your scissors.
Not my 10 scissors, my real scissors.
Wow! I opened it. Here you go. You're welcome.
Wow.
I was fast, huh? Look it. It's all magnets.
Look, I see pizza.
Wow.
Wow.
I see pizza.
Hey, do you like your magnets and your calendar?
Wow. That way we can plan out every day of the week what we do.
What's it fun about?
That was awesome.
That's great, Ellie. Do you like your toy? Your calendar?
Let's get another present.
You're going to get another present.
Yeah,
You've got a lot of presents.
I do. 'Cause I want to open it.
Mom? Come here. Come here. Oh, my lovey. Oh. You know, when Santa used to come when Mommy was little to Grandpa Beezy's house, Santa used to use a lot of tape.